Here's a look at the brand new website we built for your business. Right at the top, we added a prominent Request an Estimate button with a direct Google Calendar booking form. Instead of playing phone tag, clients pick an open time and lock in their consultation instantly. We also include a dedicated estimate page that doubles as a digital business card. When you're out in the field, you can text this custom link to clients so they have your direct info and can request an estimate on the spot. Too many jobs are lost simply because you're busy on a job site and miss a call. To fix that, your site includes a dedicated tracking number with an automated missed call text back. If you miss a call, the system instantly texts back, "Hey, I'm on a job right now, but I can text. What are you working on?" That immediate engagement stops them from calling a competitor. Next, your site features a smart reputation management system. When a project wraps up, you send a quick link. If they choose 1 to 3 stars, it routes them to a private feedback form so you can fix it internally. If they select 4 or 5 stars, it instantly directs them to your Google review page to flood your profile with 5-star ratings. Our goal isn't just to sell you a website, it's to put money in your pocket by fixing your entire client acquisition process through automated bookings, missed call textbacks, and a built-in review engine. When you're ready to get started, head over to humanbrainbox.com and click the green Go High Level Sign Up button. Fill out your details, scroll to the bottom of the software agreement to sign and confirm, and choose the plan on the payment page. Once complete, shoot your marketing success manager a quick text, and we'll hop on an onboarding call to get you rolling.